Along with boxes of groceries at Burlington's Tri-Parish Food Bank, they're also giving out masks to combat coronavirus.
We're learning the hard way, and it's really sad.
Jose Ortiz works for Catholic Community Services and is one of several members of the Latino community now working to stop the spread of COVID-19. Many Latino laborers work the fields here in close proximity. Low wages mean several families will sometimes share the same apartment, a perfect breeding ground for a deadly virus. Latinos currently comprise 60% of the COVID cases in Skagit County, while making up just 18% of the population. Local health departments have issued coronavirus warnings in Spanish, but that hasn't been enough.
So I keep saying we got to hire people within our communities that they trust, and that's where we're at now.
The Skagit County Health Department is now partnering with the nonprofit Community Action to bridge the cultural barriers keeping some Latinos from wearing masks and social distancing. Even here at church, that could mean some very difficult discussions.
One of the things that we've been saying is, what happens if you get sick? What will happen to you? What will happen to your kids? What would happen to your family if you, not only if you get sick, but if you die?
And Ortiz speaks from experience. 2 of his daughters survived coronavirus. Kaylee Ortiz says it's time for her community to get much more serious about this disease.
A lot of them don't have insurance. They're not the richest, and so a lot of times they won't have the same benefits or the same luxuries as other people might.
In Burlington, Eric Wilkinson, King 5 News.